Good evening. The next question of the chapter nuclei is example 13.6. I am reading the question. We are given the following atomic masses of uranium U-238, thorium U-234 and the pallium 237 with its atomic mass, and also helium and hydrogen is also given to you. Here the symbols have their usual meaning, and the element that is Pa, it is actually potassium, that is whose atomic mass is 91. We have been asked to find two things. The first is we have to calculate how much energy is released during the alpha decay, and also we have to show that the uranium 238 cannot spontaneously emit a proton. So to start with the question, here are the given values, that is these are the atomic mass unit of the given values. Now uranium U-238, the first part we will take, that we have to calculate how much energy is released when this uranium undergoes alpha decay. So if this is undergoing an alpha decay, so the equation for alpha decay will be like this. Alpha decay, when uranium decay in the form of alpha decay, it gives out the thorium, helium is and the energy is released. Okay, now we know according to the alpha decay the atomic mass will decreased by 4, atomic number will decreased by 2. So accordingly we have been asked to find the equation. So this is our equation. With the help of this equation we will be finding the energy which is released. So energy released will be calculated with the help of Einstein's mass energy equivalence relation, which is E is equals to del mc square, and del m is the mass defect that we have already know how to calculate it. So mass of uranium, that is the reactant, minus the mass of summation of mass of product. So we have the values given and we will substitute the values from here in this equation. So after substituting the given values in this equation, that is the mass of uranium, mass of thorium and mass of helium, we are getting the value as 0.00456 atomic mass unit times C square. As we all know that if I have to replace the C square and if I have to represent the energy in mega electron volt, then instead of that we can write it as mega electron volt upon atomic mass unit, because C square is 931.5 mega electron volt upon atomic mass unit. These all equations are actually carry forwarded using this equation. If I have to find energy, it is mc square. If I have to find mass, it is E upon C square. If I have to find C square, it is E upon mass, that is energy upon mass. So this is energy upon mass. So I have replaced the C square in terms of energy and atomic mass unit. It will cancel out, and the total energy which is actually released during the alpha decay of uranium is 4.25 mega electron volt. Now moving to the next part of the equation. The next part of the equation, they are asking us to show that uranium 238 cannot spontaneously emit a proton. So we will assume just the opposite. We will assume that it is spontaneously emitting the proton. So if it is emitting the proton, then the equation will be like this. That is, in the reactant side not only will get the proton, but with this we will also obtain the element Pa. Okay, now if I have to find the energy, again I will be using the Einstein's mass energy equivalence. So here del m is my mass defect. Again substituting the values, all these masses of H, Pa and uranium are provided to us. I will substitute it and then I will get the value as again the energy in atomic mass unit and C square as this much with a negative sign, and I am replacing this C square with respect to the mega electron volt. So as I replaced it, it is going to come as energy as minus 77.68 mega electron volt. The energy or the Q value of this equation is negative because we have assumed that it is spontaneously emitting a proton, which is actually not possible, because if the energy is negative, it means the process which we have assumed is practically impossible. So there is no spontaneous emission of proton. That was the question. So please go through the questions once again and solve it accordingly. You check the numerical values properly and solve it by yourself. Thank you.